We are going on with our series on complex numbers, and in this video we'll revise how to factor complex numbers. So let's say that we have w squared plus 25. That is also equal to w squared plus 5 squared. But notice yet again, we cannot factor this expression because this is not a difference of two squares. So we can rewrite 5 squared as minus 5 squared times I squared, where I is the square root of -1, and therefore I squared is equals to -1. So I'm not making any changes in the value of 5 squared. I'm simply rewriting it in order to create a difference of two squares. So then, when I factor it, I can factor a difference of two squares, which is w minus 5i times w plus 5i. If you enjoy these video tutorials, please check out our playlist on complex numbers or subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials.